All right, ladies and gentlemen, if you've never used the Supercharger function in your Tesla, with navigation, super simple and really convenient. So in the navigation here, and if you don't know where that is, just bottom of your computer right here, and then a little navigation symbol will pop up right here where you can just go ahead and tap that and then search, or just use your microphone symbol right here and search for it, say Supercharger, choose the one that's the closest one or whichever one you want to go to, and it will literally start to navigate to that. What is really good about this as well, it's pre-conditioning my batteries for fast charging. I am almost there. It's right across the parking lot right here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and be quiet for a little bit. Hopefully you might be able to hear this. So right up this general area, I do have the AC on as well, but right up this general area, there's like definitely a louder hum than there typically is, and that's preconditioning my batteries for supercharging. Now, the reason I'm doing this, I don't really need to charge, but I am going on a long trip tomorrow, so I'm just gonna use supercharging. And as you can see here, you can end the trip, says exactly where it is, says how many chargers are available. There's 9 chargers. This one right here next to the Dave & Buster's has a bunch of chargers, and obviously Tesla has started to allow other electric vehicles to start charging at their facilities as well. This electric truck is, with the Airstream is charging right there. But I do want to state, I ordered off of their new inventory, which gave me 1 year of supercharging for free. So I'm definitely taking advantage of that. And what's nice is you can actually see the wattage, etc. Let me go ahead and just end this trip right here. And let me go ahead and show you here. So there's that navigation symbol right here. You can set home, you can go to charging right there. Today, let's go ahead and hit charging. And here are your superchargers. And then you can see right here, 250 watts max, 325 watts max, 250, 150, that's a slower one, 325, 150. So it looks like the fastest ones in the area are 325. This is gonna be a 250 watt one. And then again, you just tap that and then you say in trip, but it will literally lead you there with the voice navigation. And what's really nice about this is it does precondition my batteries for charging. Now, if you do need to set up in the app, I'm pretty sure you might be able to do it on this as well, but in the app, you can go ahead and apply for what credit card, debit card you want supercharging to come out of. Because I have free supercharging, I still have that debit card on file, but it's giving me, it doesn't charge me when I use supercharging. So what you do is you just go up to it. We're going to go ahead and back up into the stall, grab the plug, and we're going to be all ready to go. I'll show you that in just a second. All right, now we don't need to do anything. Let's just jump out of the car. We're going to grab the handle, charge port. It's going to open up automatically, and we're going to plug around in like this here. Go ahead and unleash it. There's your little push button right there. Come around here, and lo and behold, we need more goose. We need more goose on that little plug right there. Hold on. Alrighty, now when you finally get to it, you have to push the button. There we go. Opens up automatically, and then bada bing, bada boom. That will go from white, blue to green here in just a second. There we go. Now let's jump back in the air conditioning, but just back it up to where the plug is adjacent to it. Those plugs are kind of short, to be honest with you. Those plugs need to be a little bit longer, in my personal opinion. But what's nice, you can enable dash cam. Sorry for the glare. You can enable dash cam and it starts ripping up here. This will increase as it's starting to really kind of juice up here. 20 minutes remaining, but I think it's going to juice up even more. The one in Pueblo, the first time I ever supercharged this, it hauled. I think it was like some monster charger. But I like how you do your navigation. Again, sorry for the glare. Sun visor helps a little bit there. So I can do, it looks like it's fluctuating between 368 miles for an hour, 370, 149 kW. It's already put on 6 miles in about 60 seconds. Now it's down to 15 minutes remaining, so it speeds up after about a minute, and we're looking good. I am going on my trip, so you know what? Let me see if I can do it in here. Might as well. I'm at the Supercharger. That would save me a little bit of mileage or charging tonight at my house. So let me go ahead and bump up my graph here. So let's go ahead and bump that up to 100%. Choose one-time charge to reset to 80% next time you charge, or keep it to remain 100 for future charging. The recommended charge limit for daily driving is 80%. We'll go ahead and do one-time charge. So now we're going to go up to 100%, and we're going to see what we got on yonder here. So actually it says 50 minutes remaining here. That might be too long to sit in a parking lot, to be honest with you. So we might knock that back down, or just, you know, go for a little bit and then skedaddle out of here. I do have my skateboard, but I don't know about all that. So unlock charge port right here. It is locked right now. Stop charging. Again, 100%. I slid my bar graph all the way over. Sorry for the glare there. I still have my plastic on too. But let's come over here. Still 50 minutes. Yeah, it's a little too long for me personally. We're down to 130, 129. So what happens is it actually will slow down a little bit, because it's the fastest up to about 80% range, and then that last 20%, it will go ahead and slow down a little bit. So yeah, we've already knocked down 25 kW, and then that has slowed down as well. 45 minutes, so I mean, it's knocking down. Let me just kind of sit here for a few minutes and check that out. But you can play with your graph. Again, I'm going to go on a road trip tomorrow, but I should have plenty of mileage to get to my next location, which is Salida, Colorado. They got superchargers there, and then I'll proceed to Crested Butte. Yeah, see, that's going down now, 117, 116. So we might just charge, you know, at my house, because I don't want to sit here for 45 minutes. If I had my long sleeve shirt and my really nice hat, I am doing 75 hard, and I do need to get 2 workouts in, so I could skate around the parking lot for 45 minutes. If it was a better parking lot, probably as well. All right, it's not really speeding up, so I'm going to go ahead and knock it down to 80%, and then we should see this start to fly back up a little bit. Let's go ahead and see what we got here. 9 minutes remaining now, so that's a lot better. I'll keep you posted if the KWs go back up a little bit. But the best thing is you stay in your car if you want to stay in your car. Air conditioning's on. You're parked, so you can do all your fun stuff on your computer screen. You can be on your phone, and this isn't going up either. So I think it starts super high and then kind of chills out a little bit. 8 minutes. So I'll sit here for 8 more minutes, let it charge up to 80%. I'll charge the rest at my house on my level 2, which is a lot slower than this, obviously. I think my level 2 does like 19 miles per hour. This one is 262 per hour. So obviously you see the difference. And then after you're done, I'll show you that in just a little bit here, but you just unplug it. The flap door closes automatically. Where my third party supercharger, I actually have to unlock the charge port on the app or right here to have that flap open up. Where the superchargers by Tesla, you just again push that button and then it opens up automatically, because it knows, it senses that it's next to the supercharger. Yeah, that's actually gone down a little bit, 101, because it's wrapping it up. Plus 34 miles so far, 7 minutes remaining. Now, before I do show you the completion of the supercharging, if you're in the market for a Tesla, doesn't matter what Tesla, use my referral link in the description box and comments of this video. Also, if you are in the market for Starlink, use my referral link below. Starlink, you get a month for free. That's a lot of money. I get a month for free if you sign up for Starlink using that referral link below. If you're in the market for a Tesla car, truck, SUV, and you use my referral link, you will get either 3 months of FSD for free ordering your Tesla with my link, or you'll get $250 credits. That's what I did. Now, there is some fine print to it. I think the promotions are a little bit different if you're a reoccurring Tesla purchaser or a first-time Tesla purchaser. Regardless, I believe you get perks either or, but if you are a new Tesla purchaser, you get credits or FSD, and then I get credits, which is really cool. So it's a win-win. Elon knows what they're doing. So thank you if you sign up for Starlink or purchase your new Tesla using my referral link, again, in the description box or comments of this video. I got 4 minutes remaining, 105 kW, 42 miles. I'll see you when I unplug it. Alrighty, super fast. Charging complete right here. A notification popped up on my phone as well. And let's go ahead and pull it. So all you do here, again, see that little button right there? There we go. Hold it down and then it'll turn white, and then you pull it out. Flap will automatically shut on you. And then you take this little bad boy right here, you shove that bad boy on right up there. attaches. Let's get you a thumbnail shot here. And that is how you use the superchargers for your Cybertruck or Tesla. All right, guys, make sure you hit that thumbs up button on the way out. Also subscribe to the channel. Short form, long form content on your Cybertruck, as well as all of your Tesla action. Don't forget about your referral links in the description box, as well as the comments below. Let me show you one little Easter egg before I do let you go. Tap on these windows on the driver's side of your controls and cracks the window and Elon talks to you. Very cool. We'll see you on the next one. My name's Chris.